welcome back to my channel. Today I am very excited to film a kind of different video for you guys. I am going to be filming a organization slash declutter type video. This is actually a collaboration with three YouTube ladies that I have been friends with on YouTube for a long time. The first one is Anne from Annie Ever After, and I actually met Anne in person when we were talking about Young Living oils quite a while ago, a couple years ago maybe, but anyway, it was neat to meet her in real life, and she organized this collaboration with Rachel from Sweet and Simple Home. You guys probably know her, but if not, I'm gonna have all these ladies linked below. And then the third woman is Jamie from Border Bananas, and I've done just recently a collaboration with her, and so this is another one. So all these three ladies are sort of old school original YouTubers that like I said, I've been friends with for a while, so it's nice to sort of get together and do this collaboration together. So if you are new here, I am Erin, the Gentle Thrifty Mama. Welcome. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button so that you can join me over here, and then you'll never miss a video in the future. If you make sure to click that little notification bell. So let's just hop right in. Basically what I'm doing today is going to organize my kids', it's not really a command center, maybe you'd call it that, but it's basically a landing zone for like their backpack, things that come out of their backpack at the end of the day, their lunch pails, and just general lots of paper clutter, I think. So I need to get that organized. It's very embarrassing, I'd say, when people say that their house is a mess. This area is actually really truly a mess. So I need to get it organized, declutter a lot of paper. Like I said, this is kind of a landing zone. Quickly, we take papers out of the bag and just plop them in this area. So I would like to organize it and make it look kind of nice. So I'm not going to spend any money doing this, although I found this beautiful inspiration photo. I would love to sort of buy this cart and make it look really fancy. I am not going to spend any money, so I'm going to take what I have around the house and sort of make it work, sort of create a look for less, I guess you could call it. But anyway, let's just hop right in. So here it is all done. So basically I just used boxes and baskets and sort of worked with what I had so that I didn't have to go out and buy a piece of furniture. So this project was all free, except for actually it wasn't totally free, because I did decide, since it's now February and we got these pictures in I think October, we decided to put up, or I decided, sorry, to put up the school pictures of the kids. So just put them in dollar store frames. I actually already had these So I guess technically maybe it was free, but anyway, that cost a bit of money there. And just put some flowers up here. And then this bin here is going to be for the kids' current work that they have to work on here. Then this little bin here has a pencil for each of them. And then this, honestly, just a little shout out to this awesome pencil sharpener. It's a Staedtler like metal sharpener. It says graphite on there. Anyway, this is the best pencil sharpener. I had trouble finding a good one, but this one I'm very happy with. So that goes in there just beside there. So we'll keep sort of pencils, pens, writing utensils that the kids need. Right there. And then Dave, I don't know why, but he likes to keep his bottles in this corner, like his water bottles for jiu-jitsu and going to the gym and stuff. So he keeps that there. I gave him a little basket. And then this piece of furniture that I've had for quite a while actually has like a natural sort of basket underneath. So this is where the lunch pails, once they're empty, will go there. And then just underneath here is a basket that I thrifted quite a while ago. It's a nice sturdy basket, and then I thought things that would go in there would be sort of things that I just eventually want to recycle, but for some reason I need that extra step. I usually, instead of putting them in the recycle, I'll keep them there. The kids like me to keep them around for a while, so put them in here. Once it's full, then I'll put them in the garbage. So that just slides in and out there. And then up here in the window, I put another box and I just flipped it on its side. And library books can go in here because we have trouble keeping them in one spot in our house. So now that there's a spot, these are for library books. So that will go there. And then I just put my plants up on top like a little shelf. I had plans one day for making a little like a whole bunch of shelves all the way up this window, but who knows if that's ever gonna happen. So this is good for now. And then for the backpacks, I just put them on top of this is a deep freezer that we have to keep in our kitchen. We don't have a lot of wall space, so I just decided to put the command hooks right on to the front of the freezer, and then their backpacks will just hang right there. So it's not, I don't know, the prettiest thing in the world, but it's definitely very functional for our family. And yeah, I'm really happy with the way it turned out. So there you have it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Like I said before, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a video in the future. Don't forget to go check out the other ladies linked below in the description box, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!